Hello viewers, welcome to channel. In an effort to be transparent and understandable, Judge Thomas P. Anderle recently presented a lengthy explanation of his decision-making process in a court decision involving the child support dispute between actor Kevin Costner and his separated wife, Christine. Kevin and Christine both took the witness stand during the two-day, highly charged hearing in Santa Barbara to talk about their children's future and the problems of their upcoming separation. At the conclusion of the hearings, the court ordered Kevin to pay a monthly child support of $63,209 to Christine. This amount starkly contrasts with the $161,592 that Christine had originally requested. The couple, who tied the knot in 2004, are parents to 3 teenagers, Caden, Hayes, and Grace. In the court documents, Judge Anderle described Christine as having a good courtroom demeanor and found her testimony during the proceedings to be credible. He noted that despite this, Christine's testimony did not significantly contribute to the primary issue at hand. Her statements would, however, be taken into consideration alongside the entirety of the case's evidence. Kevin's credibility was also addressed by Judge Anderle. Acknowledging Kevin's profession as an actor, the judge mentioned that this did not influence his testimony. Anderle remarked that Kevin's statements were straightforward, with no signs of fabrication or undue dramatization. In summary, Kevin's testimony was deemed both credible and consistent. Commenting on the presented arguments, Anderle stated that both parties delivered compelling closing statements. As for the final decision on child support, the judge was of the view that the established amount sufficiently addressed the children's requirements. He further elaborated that any amount surpassing the $63,209 would indirectly serve as disguised spousal support. Anderle clarified that this particular hearing solely focused on child support, adding, "Christine will have her opportunity to convince the court that she is entitled to spousal support. That is not the issue at hand for this hearing." Speaking from her perspective, Christine expressed concerns about the potential financial implications on their children post-separation. She revealed that after vacating their family residence, she had moved to a $40,000 per month rental to maintain fiscal prudence, given the uncertainty of the case's outcome. Christine's rationale behind her child support request was to ensure a consistent lifestyle for their children, emphasizing that the amount she quoted reflects their prior standard of living. She also mentioned considering re-entering the workforce, potentially in the field of education, to achieve financial independence. Kevin, on the other hand, voiced his fears over a child support figure that might surpass the genuine needs of their children and inadvertently sustain Christine's expenses. Before the court hearings, Kevin's legal team filed a paper disputing Christine's claims that Kevin was unwilling to provide for the reasonable needs of their children. They claimed that the main point of contention between the marriage was to how reasonable needs should be defined in terms of child support. The validity of the couple's prenuptial agreement will be the subject of their upcoming legal dispute. Christine's attorney, John Riddell, during a request for order hearing, hinted at a possible divergence from the recent child support ruling in the upcoming sessions. Riddell stated, "The other side seems to think that this case is over," and further commented on his long-standing professional experience with the judge, emphasizing the importance of evidence-based decisions.